Apologies for the quality of sound on that video, but let's now take you to a developing story, and that's the ongoing IEBC Dispute Resolution Committee, where Nairobi County Governor candidate Johnson Sakaja's clearance to contest is experiencing headwinds following 4 petitions challenging his suitability to vie for the position. According to the petitioners, Sakaja does not have the requisite academic credentials to contest for the seat. This even as his legal team raised questions with IEBC Commissioner Francis Wanderi, seeking to have him recuse himself on grounds of conflict of interest. Our senior political affairs reporter Jeff Kirui tells us more.
No sooner had he arrived than he left, leaving his running mate James Njoroge Mushiri, who sat through the proceedings. Nairobi gubernatorial candidate Johnson Sakaja is not out of the woods yet, despite the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission clearing him last week to run for the Nairobi governorship seat. The current senator of Nairobi County is facing 4 complaints before the IEBC's Dispute Resolution Committee. Key among them his academic qualifications to contest for the governor's seat. However, the hearing did not take off.
Right now, what I'm seeing is that the parties are not ready to proceed on account of the fact that you have thrown a document on us. You have not had the courtesy of serving your colleague, which is not good. We are through a facilitative process. You know, even after this hearing, you and Mr. Nyamodi will be out there on the same side, and even me. So we just respect each other.
Sakaja's legal team also raised another issue with the composition of the bench, seeking the recusal of Commissioner Francis Wanderi, a member of the committee, from hearing the case.
Our client is sufficiently advised that he has relations with one of the candidates in the gubernatorial race for the Nairobi City County.
Can we address that issue and the substantive facts you rely on when you place that properly before us?
Yes, I'm just giving notice to the court that will be applying for a recusal.
We have understood that you will be applying for a recusal. So the reasons for your recusal will have to be contained in an affidavit, and we'll have to deal with it at that particular time. Right now.
Meanwhile, Muranga governor candidate Irungu Kangata is also fighting to remain in the race. A complainant, Waithaka Dhuku, has filed a complaint before the Dispute Resolution Committee challenging Kangata's substitution of Dr. Winnie Mwangi as his running mate with Stephen Mburu after it emerged that Dr. Winnie Mwangi had failed to resign as a civil servant by the February 9th deadline.
The governor nominee or his party may change the deputy governor nominee so long as the nomination papers have not been delivered to the interested party. The interested party here is IEBC. So before presentation of these nomination papers, which happened on the 7th of June 2022, there was compliance with section 18.
Kangata will know his fate on Wednesday when the committee delivers its verdict. Jeff Kirui, KTN News.
And we'll keep you updated on those proceedings.